Well, street sweeping is being done today in my neck of the woods, so pretty soon we'll get the Golf R going here and finally get to drive the summer cars. So pretty excited guys. Well, here's the biggest reason, guys, that I don't drive my special cars in the wintertime. As you can see, the salt and grinds and rocks and chips that you will get along with driving in the wintertime. So as much as I can, I'd rather have my own winter cars that I could drive dedicatedly for my winter season, and have the summer cars be only driven in the summertime, right after the road has been cleaned, that's for sure. As you can see, I can proudly say that this Golf R is probably one of the cleanest Golf R you'll ever see. Being that the car is only driven in the summertime, it's spotless, rust free. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Hey guys, I'm at 5th Ave, and I just came out to check out the Golf R they have. Lee and Ryan got their Golf R, and basically here, guys, there's two white Mark 8 Golf R here behind me, and basically, yeah, I'll be featuring these two cars here pretty soon.
Honestly